Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new apartment where I'm staying here. I'm staying here for a month in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and this place costs about $15 per day, so it's quite cheap. And yeah, let me show you around the entrance area. And here you have a lock that when you come here on the first day, the landlord will let you scan your fingerprint, and also there's a password on the other side. I will show you later, so you can either use a password or just finger scan to come inside. So if you come with two people, one can scan their finger and the other guy will just use the password to come inside. Outside they have an elevator, so you don't have to work the stairs because we're on the 5th floor now. When you enter here, you have the bathroom, and it's like, as you know, in many places in Vietnam or in Southeast Asia, it's a wet bathroom, so if you shower, everything gets wet. Of course, there's a big light too, and yeah, nice little place. And it comes with some shampoo and soap, and toilet paper and so on. Yeah, and so it's like a studio style, I would say. This is the bed. It's quite comfortable, a little bit hard, but still soft enough, so really no problem at all. You have AC, of course, and there's a small fan that you can use because, yeah, some people like to use the fan, some people like the AC. Because, yeah, if the AC is here and you sleep here, it's easy to get sick, so up to you, of course. There's a small little couch, also a little bit hard, but... And also, if you think about it, why would you sit here? The TV is way too far, so... It's only to rest or something, but yeah, I never sit here. Yeah, then here we have a small, let's say, kitchen area. You can wash your dishes or whatever. It comes with some chopsticks, forks and spoons, with a kettle, of course, which is nice if you want to eat some instant noodles or make some coffee or tea. Came with some coffee I already finished and with some tea. And here, technically, if you want, you can also cook with the electric stove. You have a pan, a pot, and the rice cooker in the back. So if you plan here to stay here for long term, it's still possible. And yeah, you can even cook. And of course, there's a fridge. When I came here, they gave me a bunch of water that you can use, but also not quite far from here is Circle K, where you can buy everything you need. And yeah, of course, a freezer if you want to make ice cubes or store some ice cream. Yeah, so, and here we have a little working area. I also need to work from here, so that's no problem at all. Of course, the chair is not that comfortable, but I think it's fine. And on the top, you have a smart TV. It's a little bit of an older model, but still fine. You can watch YouTube, Netflix, everything, no problem. And yeah, that's about it. That's how the whole area looks like. We're on the 5th floor here in District 4. So you only need to cross the bridge, and then you come to District 1. So it's quite central, and yeah, I quite like the place, and especially if you're on a budget, I would definitely recommend this place. And the landlord is really nice. I messaged her on WhatsApp, and she just picked me up on the ground floor. There's a restaurant here, and then she'll pick you up, bring you inside, show you everything, give you the password for the door, scan your fingerprints and everything. Will give you all the information, how you can come in, how you can get outside, and of course it's 24 hours, so yeah, that's no problem at all. And yeah, I think it's a quite nice place, especially, as I said, if you're on a budget, if you want to save some money, you can come here and stay here. Yeah, I think it's quite nice. Many places around here near the center. So if you want to check this place out, I have a link in the description for booking.com. So if you're interested, check it out. And then otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, take care.